I was sent this Likcut cutting machine and I am so excited to get this unboxed. It came with some permanent vinyl, some transfer tape, some cutting mats, actually two different lengths of cutting mats, some tools, some extra blades. So let's get this unboxed. So here is right out of the box. We have this cute, sleek, smart cutting machine. We have good instructions here, a weeding tool, a pen, the cables that we need, the cords. We have some cutting materials and another mat. This Likcut cutting machine is so easy to set up. Just follow the quick start guide. So for this project, I'm going to be using my laptop, but you can also use a mobile device. And it has a scan code for you to use for your mobile device. Makes it very easy. That is all in the quick start guide. So I started at the Likcut Help Center here, and I just went down to the software here. I downloaded it and then I installed it so that it is on my laptop now. So I'm going to open this up. You do set up an account when you are either on the mobile device. I actually set my account up on my mobile device and then I went to the website. You can do it either way though. It doesn't matter. So once you have your account set up, you just log in. And something that I found that I wanted right away was under settings here. I went to general and I changed, it comes in at centimeters and I wanted inches. So I changed it to inches. So you can find that again under this tab here under settings right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a new design here and I am going to upload an image. Now I went to my Creative Fabrica, I have the all access, and I found this great nurse stethoscope that I want to use. I think it's a perfect size for the shirt that I want to put it on. It is a V-neck. We are going to be using heat transfer vinyl in this video. So I am going to go to upload image. I'm just going to show you how to do it here. I already uploaded it, but I want to make sure that you know how to do it. So I am going to go here and I'm going to find nurse stethoscope here, right here. And it's the number 5 one that I want. So I just click on that and I brought it into my workspace here. So I am going to hit continue. You do have to name the image. And so I already have nurse stethoscope in there. So I'll just put nurse S in there. And now you hit upload and it will bring it right into your space that you are creating your image on. Now, I am putting this on a pocket in the area where a pocket would be on a V-neck. So I want this to be pretty small. I am going to go down to about 3.95 in that area here is about right. And so that is the size that I want to cut on my HTV. There are no words on here, but you could also add words too. You can add a text box here and it is going to come in at a basic text there and you can go and you can navigate through here and look for some text. But you want to make sure that you're not using one like this. I'll move this over here. This dancing script here. If you use this one, then when you go to print or to cut, it's going to make you pay the $2.99. So just find a free script in here that you can use. I'm going to look through here. I'm just going to find, let's find some calm ones here. Those look like they are all pay artistic. We'll go through vintage. I'm just going to scroll down until I find some that are free. Favorites, recently used. I'll go back to this one, maybe here, this one. I just wanted to show you how to do this. And if you do have a text that isn't free, it is going to charge you before you can cut this. So you can use any text that you want. So I'm going to move this over here. And I am going to, again, I'm going to look for a different font for this. I'll go to all here and I'm just going to scroll around until I find something. Let's see, playful. I'll just hit all here. Confirm. And we're just going to go through until I find something that will look good on this shirt because I will add a name to it. So Marcellus, that looks kind of cute. So let's see if we can get that one on there. And it says that it's free. And I'm going to keep looking here. Go down and find another one. This is the first time that I've tried to add a font, so I'm not familiar with which ones are free and which ones aren't. And I just want to make sure that you can do this design free. So I'll just leave it with this. So Hannah, I'm gonna move it right up in here, close to the top. And now what I'm going to do, I believe I'm going to weld these together because I want this in one cut. And I just want to group them. See if I can do that here. This out of oh, there we go. I want to weld it. So I'm going to hit weld. And so now I've got one cut there. And so now I'm going to go to make. And I am going to, I'll save it. So I'll do Hannah here and confirm. And now I will go to, it's going to ask what mat you're going to be using, and we're going to use the short one, the medium mat, and I'm going to confirm that. And because this is going to be HTV, heat transfer vinyl, we want to make sure that we are mirroring our image. Always mirror your image for heat transfer vinyl. So now I'm going to hit next. And this is actually a patterned heat transfer vinyl. So I want to select that. And I did actually cut one already. I tried it. And I did adjust my cutting pressure on this. Default is 95, and you can see that I changed mine to -40. So that was a pretty good cut on this. So you're going to want to make sure that when you find a pressure that you want to use on a certain material, you can record the pressure adjustment of the material. And I already did that. So mine is going to come in at the 95 -40, and that's what I want for this. And so now I am going to load my materials into my machine, and then we will get this cut. This is the pattern HTV that I'm going to be using. So we want to make sure that we add it to our mat with the face side down. And this is the shirt that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting that design right here in that pocket area. And this just finished, so I will get it weeded. So this weeded very well. So now I am going to prep my shirt. I am using a ruler. We are going to be doing a pocket application area on this. So I am going to get a pre-press on this shirt. I'm going to heat my HTV Ront Mini Heat Press 3. I'm going to set it at 340 degrees. And we're going to be pressing this for 50 seconds. So be sure to clean your shirt, use a lint roller. But here's how I am going to get my layout for the shirt. So I put the ruler down from the neck down to the armpit. And then at the armpit, you can see the scissors here going across. And where they intersect there, you want the design right in the center of that area. And now my HTV Ront Mini Heat Press 3 is up to 340 degrees. We're ready to go. This Likcut did an amazing job for cutting HTV for this small area. This is such a great machine for anything that you need to do, cardstock, vinyl, permanent vinyl, anything that you want for a project of this size. It works amazing. I am very happy with this little machine. Lickety split, Likcut did the job. I typically do not work with paper or cardstock, but I couldn't resist. So I gave it a try. It was very, very simple. These designs came from Creative Fabrica. Again, I have the all access. And I just loaded my paper on the mat and I cut it the same way that I did the HTV. This little machine is great for so many things. I think I will be enjoying paper more now with this Likcut. I'm giving this Likcut Glee Smart Cutting Machine an A. It was so simple to set up, so simple to install the software, easy to use, and it is so sleek, and it will be so easy to stow this machine away that it makes it just a dream to use. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.